Today I'm going to give you a tour of the Riu Latino. This is a brand new property in Costa Mujeres. It's about 20 minutes from Cancun. This is adult only. It is amazing. I can't wait to show you this hotel. Let's get started. So the first thing I noticed about this room is the color scheme. I really love the ocean look that they went with. I thought it was great. There's over 500 rooms on this property, and even the towel animal was probably the best towel animal I've seen. And maybe that was just for us, but I loved it. Now I will say this would be great property for a bachelorette party or for a bachelor party, and you'll see why when we get to the pool area. Now, I love that the room comes with a fridge. I also love that it comes with alcohol. And so, again, this is an all-inclusive property. Your food is included. Your liquor is included. And I was staying at a Riu, not this one, but another one, and I enjoyed myself. Now, if you can see the property itself, it's on a beautiful white sand beach, and it's got over 4 pools. So you're definitely going to have a place to hang out here. Now, one of the things that I like the most is this is different for Riu, that they had some rooms on the bottom floor with plunge pools. Now you can see this is a party hotel, like that is the sports party. I love that they have tables in the water. This is definitely a hotel where you want to have some fun, but maybe you don't want to go into the Cancun area. And those water slides will never see a child. So that's pretty cool as well, that all the slides are for adults. I loved the restaurants. These are open at night for you. Make sure that you make reservations as soon as 5 o'clock, you got to get there, guys, if you want to get into a restaurant. If not, you'll be at the buffet, which I thought the buffet was beautiful. And again, I was staying at a Riu. I thought the food was great. I loved the homemade churros for breakfast. And at this hotel, we ate at the lunch, and they had these amazing tortas that I really liked. So off to another property. I hope you enjoyed my tour. I know it's a quick one. I have quite a few more coming in after this as well, so stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe because I do have more properties I'm going to show you. Thanks for watching.